I'm Deepti. I'm here in Parijat from 2015, working as Senior Executive R&D Formulation Development. Respect means to me having a work environment where employees are valued and treated with respect and dignity. Parijat is a workplace where ethical behaviors such as honesty, trust, fairness are practices. Parijat makes me pride because I feel friendly and supportive behavior here, and I welcomed to share my ideas and opinions. We are 4 to 5 numbers of female staff here in Parijat Factory, but I didn't feel any kind of disrespect or difference in between in male or female candidates. Staff members also listen and respect each other's views, which is fantastic. I'm also a member of POSH committee also. As a R&D person, I also feel valued and respected. गर्व है पारिजात।